Hi guys, this is Wendy back at it again. I just wanted to give you a quick update on my breakout because actually what I was thinking is that there is certain step that I didn't mention that are going to happen, and it's actually perfect because if you want to get rid of your breakout, I still have a cold. I don't want to sound like Tony Braxton, even though I wouldn't mind. So, what I was saying, okay, rounds of applause just for the consistency and just, you know. So, what I was saying is that there is steps. So, your skin is not going to be like, okay, goodbye breakouts. It's going to go through a process. And today, I see, 2 days after, I see the second step of getting rid of your breakouts. So basically, if I show you closely, you can tell that here it's actually like the breakouts, the pimples are extremely dry. And if I press on it, I don't feel any pain. Usually, when you still have the white you know what I mean, the thing that we pop and that you're not supposed to pop, please do not. I don't know how I forgot to mention this. I feel like everybody knows, but we don't know why exactly we're not supposed to pop our pimple, our breakout. The reason why is because it's going to heal so much slower. So if you pop one of your pimple, one of your breakout, then it's going to leave a scar that is going to last way longer. So what I do not pop nothing. Okay, I may be popping other things, but these pimples, I'm not popping them. I didn't pop them, and that is why now it's basically flaky. And if I wanted to, and it's very tempting, because if I show you, and I'm telling you, this is, I don't know how to explain it. It's almost like, I don't know. I know that I would get so much pleasure just putting my finger here and just rip the basically the flaky skin. The thing is, as long as it's holding on, so the skin here for this one around is healed. I already did a quick check, but if I go any further, my skin is extremely white. So basically, it's um it's a mechanism. Whenever you hurt yourself, you're gonna have bruises, and then you're gonna have a layer that is going to protect the area that was hurt. So these flaky things, you need to keep them as long as possible. It's going to fall by itself. Even when I wash my face, I avoid this area. First of all, because it's very dry. I don't want to use the same face wash. And also, I don't want to force this part of my face to actually get rid of the flakiness because it's protecting the skin under, and I don't really feel like taking a year to heal my scar because there is going to be a scar. Okay, it's unavoidable. I told you I ate everything and more, and my body is showing me I sounding like Tony Braxton. Don't break my heart. I think I could go even lower actually. I'm living the mistake, washing me away. Right now, I absolutely do not give two Fs. Seriously. I'm just like that because at the end of the day, it's not worth it. It's not worth it. So leave. So if you get to this point, please leave it alone because you may think, oh, okay, I don't have anything under, so I just need to rip it off. And then what you're going to find out under is going to be like very a lighter skin color, unless you're white as snow. And then it's going to leave a scar, even if you're light as snow, because the process was not finished. So, what I'm doing now is the same thing. I'm using my toner with acid hyaluronic. I'm going to apply it on each and every single one of these two breakouts, and I'm gonna wait a little. And actually, you should feel like it gets inside. And at this point, you should feel like it gets inside much faster because it should be almost, if not completely empty, because there's already a new skin that is forming under the scar, under the flaky skin that needs to go away. And I feel it. I'm used to it, so it doesn't hurt for me. If you're sensitive, just apply the product and yeah, don't hurt yourself. So I apply it, I press on it, and actually sometimes what I like to do is stay just a few moments like this, just to make sure that also all the bacteria. I just come home from work, so I know I've touched my chin. This is the area I'm usually like this, like this. This is the area of my face that I touch the most. I feel like most people, or like this when somebody is telling me some bullshit, or like that when I'm pretending that I'm interested, or like this. You know what I mean? When I'm bored. And yeah, so this is the part of our face that we touch the most. And also, you may have a scarf, you may have whatever, your chin is gonna hit whatever. Anyways, your breakout may be somewhere else, so you don't really care where it is. Basically, that's what you need to do. And I'm pressing because I know there is more product in this. And when I feel the sensation that I like, I don't know why. I like it when it's hot. I like my food to be hot and spicy. I like to feel things because it just lets me know I may be going too far, but at least I know that it got absorbed and I got rid of any dirt or any bacteria that may slow the process. So then I'm going to do the exact same thing. So now that I've pressed of course, it's not flaky anymore because I've pressed on it with the toner. And now what I'm going to do is go with whom? Like this. I'm gonna go with La Roche Posay Effaclar Duo Plus. And I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna apply the product here, here. Actually, I forgot. The first step is I apply it on the entire area. The reason being is that I don't want any breakout to occur, to happen around this area, because when you focus too much on one single area, you could get another one like here or here, and that's not what I want. I want to get rid of what I got, and it is what it is. So then I apply an extra amount on the breakouts and dot. And this is how I'm going to end the evening. I hope it was helpful for you. And please do not pop these damn pimples, these damn breakout. I know you've been told this so many times, and I know it's so tempting, but the after effect is so not worth it. So not worth it. You will see. I told you I'm giving myself a week. And that's that. So see you in the next video. I told you that the next video will be a different topic, and it will be, and hopefully you like it. Don't forget to thumbs up, like, do whatever you want to do with it, share it. I'm going to be consistent. Post up all in the www, and that's that. So much love. Peace, as always, in the Middle East. Wendy, if you don't know me. Bye.